If you look at this question, there is an ellipse which is given in the problem, 169 greater than 25. So, we have to compare this particular ellipse with the, x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. This implies to me that a square is equal to 169, b square is equal to 25, a square is equal to b square plus c square. So, 169 is equal to 25 plus c square, 144 is equal to c square. So, c value is equal to 12. So, now this particular ellipse will look like this, right? Ellipse will look like this. So, this is the focus, this is c comma 0 and this is the second focus minus c comma 0. So, this is the y axis, this is the x axis, this is the negative x axis, this is the negative y axis, this is the origin 0 comma 0, right, 0 comma 0. So, the focus of this particular ellipse will be c plus or minus c comma 0, that is nothing but plus or minus 12 comma 0, correct. Eccentricity of this particular ellipse is c by a. So, what is the value of c is equal to, tell me what is c is equal to 12 divided by what is it, a value is how much, a value is equal to root 169, that is equal to 13, right. Again, now the hyperbola will pass through the focus or foci of the ellipse. Hyperbola is passing through like this. The hyperbola passes through, what is it, hyperbola passes through the foci, the foci of the ellipse, which means it will pass through what? It will pass through the foci of the ellipse, passes through plus or minus 12 comma 0. So, I may say x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. So, 144 divided by a square, substitute here, okay, x, that is x and y, you call this as x and y, substitute here, minus of 0 divided by b square is equal to 1. So, a square is 144. So, what is the value of a is equal to 12, correct, a is equal to 12. Eccentricity of the ellipse multiplied by eccentricity of the hyperbola, that is equal to 1. Eccentricity of the ellipse is 12 divided by 13 multiplied by the eccentricity of the hyperbola is equal to 1. Eccentricity of the hyperbola will be equal to 13 divided by 12, right, 13 divided by 12. Now, eccentricity of the hyperbola is 13 divided by 12, that is equal to c divided by a, correct. So, 13 divided by 12, that is equal to c divided by 12, c is equal to 13. A square plus b square is equal to c square. A square is what? A square is 12 square plus b square, that is equal to 13 square. So, b square is equal to 169 minus 144. So, b square is equal to 25, right. So, what is the required equation of the hyperbola? Final step, x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. So, what do we get? X square by a square. So, x square divided by 144 minus y square divided by b square 25, this is equal to 1. This will be the required answer to the given question.